from our little adventures. Tonight, I'm going to be making a banana bread dump cake. So, pretty easy, pretty simple. Well, first you're going to take, it says 3 to 4 bananas. Make sure they're not too ripe. You don't want them like brown. And you're just going to slice them up and layer them in the bottom of the pan. That's step 1. Alright, as you can see, we almost got the bottom of the pan completely layered. It only took 3 bananas, so I guess it just depends on the size of the pan. It calls for a 9 by 13 inch pan. Get these finished slicing. As you can see, I don't have them all perfect. That's why it's a dump cake. That's it, 3 bananas. All right, step 2, 12-ounce bag of white chocolate chips. We just got great value. Doesn't matter. You just sprinkle it on top of the bananas here. Oops, I lost one. This is a new recipe. We have not tried this one, but it sounds delicious. As you can see, I put those on. Then you take a 5-ounce can of evaporated milk and just top of the Alright, now you're going to use 1 box of quick bread, banana bread, and just sprinkle that on top, the dry mix. You don't have to mix it or anything. I'm trying not to make a mess this time. It smells good. I got Pillsbury. It's the only one I've seen at Walmart. There could be other brands. Now I'm just going to kind of dump it and then I'll spread it out. Now all you're going to do is take 1 stick of butter melted and pour it on top. I just went ahead and pre-melted it. That's it. Alright, I got it all prepared. That's everything that it calls for. You pop it in a 350-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes until it's golden brown. And then you can top it with whipped cream or caramel sauce, which I forgot to grab, but you could do that if you want. So we'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's complete. Alright guys, we baked it for 45 minutes. We've let it set for 15-20 minutes or so to kind of cool. Now we're going to scoop it out and try it.
Hi everybody!
We just got done eating, so I'm not real hungry, but we got to taste it. If you like banana bread, you definitely got to try this recipe. If you try it, make sure to let us know in the comments. As always, give us a thumbs up. Comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell